Hi, welcome to the channel. It is Cambridge Trading Cards here, and today we are opening NXT 2.0 Hobby Box from Panini. Came out a couple of Fridays ago. It's taken me a little while to get the opportunity to open it. Just want to say a big shout out to the chap who got me this, Jamie, from the Squared Circle Relics podcast. He was over in the States and got a pretty good deal on it, cheapest I've seen it anywhere. So yeah, really appreciate that, bud. Right, let's go. So there's a lot of cards here. This is going to be quite the video, quite a long one. I've watched recently NXT wise. Well, I watched some of Worlds Collide. I watched most of it, and I've watched a couple of episodes, but not a ton. There'll be people I won't know, and I will try my hardest with names. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So crap, that's a lot of packs, man. So 8 cards per pack. I think it's 24 packs per box. So yeah, there's a lot of rookies in this one. A lot of rookies. So yeah, let's go. See how we get on. 1 autograph, 1 memorabilia card on average. Always remember it's Panini, folks. On average, not guaranteed. And I think the another annoying thing is the names of the guys, like the Trick Williams, not like overly visible on this camera. So yeah, as I said, may mess them up. Trick Williams rookie card. We got Elton Prince rookie card from Pretty Deadly. Blair Davenport rookie again. Caden Carter. Jian Quinn rookie. Dave Mastiff. We got Shinsuke Nakamura and a Cameron Grimes. Now, what I'm trying to do, I'm just to the side that you can't see, I'm going to separate base and then rookies, and then I'm going to put what I consider the hits, as always, in the middle. I'm just going to check though. So yeah, so this Cameron Grimes, for instance, is gold there, and this, say what it is, silver. So I'm going to assume the gold is something. So let's just pop that there. This one feels like a thicker pack. I know these probably have fillers in, but I'm just going to go for the smaller ones. And if I can like spot the auto, then I'll leave it till the end or whatever. But don't always happen. Although that's an upside down card. Right, Sam Gradwell, rookie. Nina Samuels. Bodie Hayward, rookie. Wolfgang. Nikita Lyons. Let's go from the back. Alexa Bliss gold. I'm assuming that's gold, yeah. We got Angelo Dawkins. Actually, so these are not numbered. And then, I mean, I'm just showing it anyway. It's just upside down. Ulisa Leon, rookie. Nikita can go on the back as well. So I guess the kind of rookies that I'm looking for in this: Nikita Lyons, Bron Breakker, Solo Sikoa, maybe. I suppose they're your top 3 in my opinion. Your opinion might be very different. Let's go. Right, Wild Boar. Okay, that's said about that. Electra Lopez, rookie. Ginny, rookie. I think that's my first Ginny card. So there you go. Trent Seven. Flash Morgan Webster. Zoe Stark. Otis. And Asuka. There she is. So I guess, is this like an insert or something? I got championship, not sure. We'll pop it on the back. feels like there's a lot of fillers in these, which is good. You know, if you're buying single packs, always good. But I'm just going to check. This actually is our memorabilia card. Right. So we got Dante Chen. That's a rookie. Millie McKenzie. Robert Stone. Giro, Eichmann Giro. Rookie. Andre Chase. Corey Graves. And there we go. So our patch, our memorabilia card is a Mark Andrews. Number 1 of 25. So not too bad. But yeah, I would have rather an NXT 2.0 guy than an NXT UK guy, because NXT UK is no more. And Noam Dar 2021 highlights. So I'm just going to shut that there. Right, so I guess you would guess this is just a filler then. Saray, Danny Luna, Cruz del Toro, Amel, can't say it, Katana Chance, Casey Catanzaro. I can say that shit now. A-Kid, rookie, Big E, filler, and Charlie Dempsey to 199. So that's a numbered card right there. I'm just going to go. So it'd be interesting to see if this does get a retail release. If you listen to the Squared Circle Relics podcast, this was our big topic this week. Felt a bit bad that I hadn't actually opened it myself. Would have loved to have had a bit more knowledge on it. But one thing I did notice is the box says the gold thing, the gold parallels, is it? It says gold and black parallels, hobby exclusive. And when things say hobby exclusive, it normally means that there's going to be retail exclusives as well. But we'll see. Kit Wilson of Pretty Deadly. Zaya Brookside, she's been released. Isla Dawn, Lash Legend, Zach Gibson, Eddie Dennis, Drew. So he's got the championship there. And Bailey. Cool. I guess it's going to be another filler. Yep. We got Ashton Smith. I don't know why I struggled saying that. Von Wagner. So we've got green at the back. Jack Starks. Joaquin Wild, Bron Breaker, that's a good one there. What's he called? Idris Inofi or something. Rookie, Rhea Ripley. Boom, filler, and oh hell, not too bad there. 45 of 49. Charlotte Flair. So going to be the first one that I sleeve and top load. So again, what is this? Is this gold there? And it's like one of these championship things. So there you go, not bad. Doing all right, and 9 minutes in, full disclosure, and we're not even halfway, so this is going to be a 20-minute one. Right, we've got Io Shirai, Nathan Frazier, Jordan Devlin, Brooks Jensen, Odyssey Jones, Grayson Waller, Seth freaking Rollins. Bit weird because he wasn't Seth freaking Rollins then, was he? And we got a Sami Zayn. All-time highlights. There we go. Boom. Another thing I'm going to kind of, if you did listen to the pod, then I'm sorry I'm repeating myself on a lot of this. One thing as well I kind of picked up on was this could well be the only NXT 2.0 release, because Topps didn't do one. Topps was still just, you know, the black and gold, and then it's gone back to the black and gold. So yeah, it could well be the only NXT release. So I'm probably going to buy another box or another couple of boxes and sit on them. Yeah, see what happens. So Tiffany Stratton, rookie, go on the back. Tony D'Angelo, rookie. Kenny Williams, rookie. Oh, I can't say her name, rookie. Alba Fire, Primate, Asuka, and Tioman, rookie. So is that like a silver? I feel like that's a silver. Same as that Cameron Grimes one. Okay. You never know, I might pick this up by the time I finish the video. Always the way. But yeah, places in the UK have had this. I think Sports Trading UK's had it. Decent-ish price. We've got Mark Kofi, Joe Gacy, rookie. Triple H in a suit. I ain't gonna. Dragunov, Tiger Guy, Tiger Turan. Well, okay, cool. Ivy Nile. We got Bailey and 2021 NXT UK highlights of Walter. Now Gunther. So there are some cool autos in here. Obviously, you can get the NXT UK guys as well, which obviously no one wants, most people. There are alumni autos. So there's like Reigns, Shinsuke, Asuka, Drew. So there are good autos in here. Noam Dar, Josh Briggs, Brutus Creed, Fallon Henley, Wesley, Oliver Carr, Chad Gable, and Bailey. I quite like this sort of, do you know what I mean? The design on these. Right, and this is our final pack of the first stack, so we are officially halfway through. And we got a filler. We got Stevie Turner, Johnny Saint, James Drake, Boa, Roderick Strong, Malik Blade. We got that Alexa one again, filler, and a numbered Io Shirai to 99. Damn, that's not a bad one. So yeah, we're doing all right on the old numbered cards. Let's once again, let's leave and top load that bad boy. Right, second stack. Let's go. So far, pretty good product. There's a lot of cards in it. I prefer it already to Topps, the top last 2 years worth of Topps anyway. We got T-Bone, Gigi, Senga, Mark Andrews, Joe Kofi, Santos Escobar, Damian Priest, and Gigi Dolan. Cool, right. We got JC Jane. It's a weird image to pick, isn't it? Like Caden Carter's like the main person in it. The fuck. Okay. Rampage Brown, Julius Creed, Carmelo Hayes, Cora Jade, good, another one we're kind of looking for. Shaw Samuels, Kevin Owens, and Gunter. Where's the auto? Come on, where's the auto? Just wish us luck. We don't want no stinking Mark Andrews auto. I feel like I'm gonna get an NXT UK guy, aren't I? Duke Hudson, Indy Hartwell, Solo Sikoa, Mandy Rose, Amari Miller, Roxanne Perez, Ricochet, and Damon Kemp Silver. There you go. We had a Bron Breaker yet? I can't remember. I think we've had one like base one, haven't we? Yeah. Giovanni Vinci? Yep. I'm sure he used to be called something else. Cameron Grimes, Damon Kemp again, that's a rookie. Tioman, Charlie Dempsey, Wendy Chu, Finn Balor, and Io Shirai. Let's get down here. Well, we got Duke Hudson again, Indy Hartwell again, Solo Sikoa again. These are all looking a little bit familiar, aren't they? Mandy Rose, Amari Miller, Roxanne Perez, Becky Lynch, and Raquel Gonzalez. So I think they've done well, in my opinion, Panini, in adding all of these legends and the the autos for them and stuff. Just a little bit more eyes on the product, in my opinion. Like, that's not a bad little stack of like really recognizable wrestlers in there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. We got Miko Satomura, I can't say it. Arlene James, Aaliyah James, who knows? Someone tell me in the comments. Tyler Bate, Saxon Huxley, Valentina Flores, Trick Williams, Bianca Belair, and all-time NXT highlights of Sami Zayn. How many packs we got left? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 packs to find this away. Otherwise, we will cry. Doesn't look like it's in this one. Elton Prince, Blair Davenport, Caden Carter, John Quinn, Dave Mastiff, T-Bone, Sami Zayn, and Cameron Grimes. So a little bit of a pack repeat there, because we've had that a couple of times now. We've opened 2 packs and they start off at least like the same. Gigi, Senga. Oh, I didn't check his in this. No, it doesn't look like the autos here. Mark Andrews, Joe Kofi, Santos Escobar, JC Jane, Shayna Baszler, and Charlie Dempsey. Well, Rampage Brown, Julius Creed, Carmelo Hayes, Cora Jade. That's that. That guy, Samuels, Ashton Smith, Tyler Breeze, and Oscar. All right, we're down to 3. That's when it starts to get a little bit into Sante here, isn't it? I don't know. Von Wagner, Jack Stars, I think I call him Stars, Joaquin Wild, Bron Breakker. Quite nice to get like double rookies of a few of them. Idris Enofi, Sam Gradwell, Charlotte Flair, and Ciampa. Right, oh fuck, here we go. Last 2. Oh, this one feels like it's got a filler in it, so fillers seem to always have the numbered card behind, right? Right, yep, there you go, filler and number card. So unless the auto is in here, which it doesn't look like it is, it fucking better be in that last pack. Nina Samuels, Bodie Hayward, Wolfgang, Nikita, Elisa Leon, Kit Wilson, the big dog. I forgot, yeah, I haven't had any Roman so far, have we? So Roman, and then our numbered card is NXT 2.0. It's Kit Wilson. I've got a feeling I might know where this is going to end up. And the person who collects him, or them, he will probably know as well. There you go. Cool, right. Right, last pack mojo is going to be in full effect here. I'm just going to do, I know I'm not totally finished, but look, that's the stack of rookies, yeah? That's the stack of normal base. So rookies outweigh the base, which I think is really cool. Good to see. I'd like AEW to bring out a product where, do you know what I mean? Like they do, I don't know, fucking like Dark Edition or something, and then they have loads of rookies in that. Even just any AEW product would be nice, but anyway. Oh, this one doesn't want me to get in it. Right. Wish me luck, guys. Is the auto in here? Let's go. Okay, so that third last card looks like it could be. It wants to be. Right. Zaya Brookside. Isla Dawn. Lash Legend. Zach Gibson. I might go for, is it? I think it's that one there. Okay. Alright. Eddie Dennis. I feel like I just saw the brand and yeah, I'm not happy. I'm going to go from the back. So we got Ludwig Kaiser. We got Apollo Crews there, and the auto is oof, A-Kid. Wow. Yeah. Disappointing. But still, fun rip. Let's just put that on card auto. But yeah, probably worth about £2. So we got the A-Kid auto. I'm not going to run through all of these. I'm just going to quickly sort of show. So these are the alumni. It's a shame so many of the alumni are in AEW now. Couple of silvers in there. On the whole, yeah, not bad, not bad. And let's have a look at probably the better stuff here, isn't it, really? So we got Nikita Lyons, rookie, Bron Breakker, Cora Jade, some GGs, Solo Sikoa, some more Cora Jade, GG, Tiffany Stratton, Bron, Charlie Dempsey to 199 red. That was our memorabilia, Mark Andrews. Nikita again, that Oscar, the gold Bliss. And then the other three numbered cards. Blue to 149, Kit Wilson. Io Shirai to 99, purple. And Charlotte Flair to 49. And yeah, 2 NXT UK hits. Thanks for watching. Sorry it was such a long one, but that was a hell of a lot of packs and a hell of a lot of rookies. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I will always try and get back to you. And listen to the Squared Circle Relics podcast if you want to know any more about wrestling cards, especially in the UK. Right, take it easy.